Pluto is an intriguing and enigmatic world that lies beyond Neptune within the Kuiper Belt. Although it was once considered the ninth planet in our solar system, in 2006, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. From the beginning, it seemed out of place. Its orbit intersects that of other planets, which is uncharacteristic of a planet. However, this has not diminished interest in this remarkable celestial body. As we explore beyond Earth in search of life, Pluto emerges as an intriguing and possibly promising subject. Although traditionally not considered a place conducive to life, recent discoveries on its surface and beneath its ice shell have exceeded our expectations. Stunning images captured by New Horizons in the James Webb Space Telescope era are challenging our previous perceptions of Pluto, revealing it as much more than just a dwarf planet. These discoveries have puzzled scientists because they don't fit what was previously considered established knowledge. As we delve deeper into Pluto's hidden secrets, we are confronted with questions about the size of this forgotten world in comparison to Earth. Is Pluto as small as 1 to the power of 3, 4, 5, or 6 relative to Earth? This questioning invites us to reflect on the true nature and scale of Pluto in the cosmos. The theory of the existence of a liquid ocean beneath Pluto's frozen surface has gained support due to the presence of extensional fractures and the lack of significant craters in certain areas, suggesting more recent geological activity than expected. This idea is not new. It has been raised since 2006 in scientific publications speculating on the possible existence of subsurface oceans on several celestial bodies beyond the gas giants, including Pluto. However, the arrival of NASA's New Horizons mission in 2015 provided new details and stunning images that further fueled these speculations. When the probe reached Pluto, it offered the first detailed view for scientists of one of the solar system's most enigmatic objects, revealing a surface marked by a network of fissures, as well as ice volcanoes and a huge heart-shaped basin. These discoveries have led some scientists to believe that there may be even more surprising phenomena hidden beneath the surface. For example, analysis of the images revealed an icy basin called Sputnik Planitia, located in a particular position almost exactly opposite Pluto's largest moon, Charon. Although this could simply be a coincidence, the odds are low. Only 5% of models suggest that when this basin formed, there may have been a subsurface ocean that played a role in shaping it. Later, nitrogen gas present in Pluto's atmosphere cooled and solidified in the frigid basin. The accumulation of additional water and ice generated a heavy load that tipped Pluto into its present alignment. The notion of an ocean beneath the surface has been a persistent idea, but images of Pluto's far side have strengthened the theory. Strong evidence has been found, including a feature called chaotic terrain, which consists of ridges, cracks, and disordered plains. This terrain is found on the opposite side of Pluto from the basin called Sputnik Planitia. Scientists have observed similar phenomena on Mars, Mercury, and Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. At these locations, the collision of an asteroid or comet is suspected to have generated seismic waves that converged on the opposite side of the body, causing an effect similar to the chaotic terrain observed on Pluto. Alden Denton, a graduate student in planetary geology at Purdue University, simulated how an asteroid impact could send shockwaves through the dwarf planet. These simulations presented a strong scientific coherence, suggesting that such a collision would only have been possible if Pluto had a liquid ocean beneath its surface. Oliver White, a planetary scientist at the SETI Institute in California, conducted a geologic map of Pluto but did not participate in the aforementioned study. Although the features observed on the far side appear similar to others seen in the solar system, the low resolution of the images leaves some uncertainty. However, there is a consensus among other scientists that Pluto has geological peculiarities, particularly a large number of cracks on its far side, which support the possibility of a hidden ocean and shed light on its possible origin. Theories about Pluto's ocean have long suggested that it was a frozen ocean that melted under the heat, provided by radioactive elements in a rocky core. In this scenario, when the ice melted and then refroze in the cold basin, wrinkles formed on the surface, similar to the wrinkles that appear on an apple left in the refrigerator. These wrinkles would have originated due to the contraction of ice as it melted and its expansion as it refroze, which created cracks in the surface. If this theory is accurate, images of Pluto should show older wrinkles and more recent cracks. However, the images from the New Horizons mission showed mostly cracks, suggesting that Pluto's surface oceans may have started out as liquid and then eventually froze. Observations from the New Horizons probe revealed a giant rift running across the near side of Pluto and appearing to extend from the North Pole toward the South Pole on the far side of the dwarf planet. This feature, known as Pluto Rift, does not indicate a sudden change in the surface but more likely a mark left by the continued expansion of the frozen ocean. The presence of water on Pluto is also suggested by observations of water on the near side of the planet, which shows signs of being impregnated with organic molecules. Although it may seem unlikely on a world like Pluto, laboratory experiments have shown that solar and cosmic radiation can create complex organic compounds, including bases present in RNA and DNA. These findings reinforce the theory that Pluto could harbor organic molecules and potentially support life. In addition, the probe's observations revealed a red band at Pluto's equator, possibly composed of organic material and corresponding to a region with greater solar exposure and warmer temperatures. This finding is important because it indicates the presence of liquid water and organics on Pluto, two key ingredients for life. On the other hand, some UFO hunters have suggested the presence of artificial structures on Pluto, pointing out anomalies in images of the dwarf planet, such as a smoky trail visible on the surface. Although NASA attributes this anomaly to natural phenomena, some believe it could be evidence of the existence of extraterrestrial life on Pluto. If you like the video, remember to hit the like button, share it so it reaches more people, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.